Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we're going to resolve same account launched from different device Roblox error code 273 on Android. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know how to fix this error on Android with 5 best fixes. Method 1. Make sure no one is in your account. When you get an error like same account launched from different device, the first thing you need to do is to find out if someone is on your account, as there is a possibility that your account has been stolen. To check this, go to the Roblox homepage. Click on the gear icon at the bottom right, and select the settings option. Then click Security, and scroll down to the Where You're Logged In section at the bottom of the page. Here you can view the date, and location from which browser or device you logged into your account. If there is a browser or device that you do not use that does not belong to you, then there is someone in your account. In this case, click on the arrow icon on the right side of the device you do not recognize, and click the Log Out of Session button. Method 2. Reset your Roblox password. It is important to keep your account information secure by resetting the password or using a strong password. For this, navigate to the Roblox login page, and select Forgot Password or Username. Select Use Phone Number to reset password. Choose your country prefix and enter your phone number. Select Submit and complete the process. You'll receive a 6-digit code on your phone. Enter the received code and press Verify. You can now enter and confirm your new password. Press Submit to finalize the process. Method 3. Disable your VPN. While VPNs are useful for certain activities, they may cause connections to go down and lead to other unexpected issues. This also applies to Roblox, as VPNs have been known to cause same account launched from different device Roblox error for some users. Disabling the installed VPN on your Android phone can help you to solve this error. To do so, you have to open the settings, tap on Network and Internet, then tap on VPN, and then disable any active VPNs on the list. Method 4. Reinstall Roblox app. Reinstalling the application can often resolve any underlying issues related to corrupted files or incomplete updates that might be causing Roblox error code 273. This method could also work for you. To uninstall app, find the Roblox app on your device's home screen. Then, long press on it, and tap on Uninstall option. Now follow the steps to install Roblox app. Go to Google Play Store, and type Roblox in search box. Click on Roblox, and then on Install option. To proceed further, click on Accept after reviewing the app permission. Method 5. Contact Roblox support. If despite all your efforts, the error persists, reach out to Roblox's support team by visiting https://www.roblox.com/support for further assistance. Submit the detailed information on your request, including the error image, if any received, and wait patiently for their reply. I hope these solutions will help you in resolving same account launched from different device Roblox error code 273 on Android. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.